Hi friends, so today we will be doing preparation for Surya Namaskar. So Hazel will give more information on this.
Right. So as we know, Surya Namaskar has different steps involved. So for what we have planned is basically we will demonstrate each step to you all. So our video, because we are actually preparing our body for Surya Namaskar, this is the readiness that is involved. So each video will consist of one step, and then at the end we compile all together and show you the actual flow of Surya Namaskar. So today we are performing the step 1 of Surya Namaskar.
So we'll start with step 1.
Yes.
So stand sideways. Okay. And hand in Namaste Mudra. Okay. The first thing is, first you need to stand in Tadasana. So you cannot loosen up your body. Yes. Stomach tuck in. Perfect. Now slowly inhale and go up. Raise your hand up. Lifting your chest up. Very good. Hold there. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly come back. So now what we will let you know, we will highlight the common mistake which people do generally while doing first step. So this is come in position.
Yes.
So the first common mistake is like they are not using their chest and they are bending through their lower back. So this puts immense pressure on your lower back and this can hurt your lower back. So what the best way is, tuck in your stomach, raise your chest and yes. So this is how you need to do the first step. Slowly come back. Now we both will do together and we hold this step.
So thank you everyone for watching our video. In case if you have any doubts in step number 1, you can put it in comment. If you have any challenges in performing this step and in the upcoming steps also, you can just put it in the comment and we will try our best to help you out on it. Thank you very much.